From Deep Dives to Good Vibes, this is Mateo G Primetime. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at lahat ng mga audience natin sa buong mundo watching through online right now. By the way, marami pa sa inyo hindi nag-subscribe at nag-like sa YouTube page natin. So please, i-like nyo po at i-subscribe and i-click nyo po yung notification bell. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about growth, courage, and stepping beyond what feels safe this evening. Let's talk about ourselves. What does it take to choose the harder path, to take the risk, and become more than who we are this very day? As we continue these conversations, please follow our social media pages flashing on the screen right now for more conversations and moments that inspire. Dahil ngayong gabi po, that is what matters.
What matters?
Steady lang. Yan ang madalas na sagot ng mga Pinoy kapag may nangumusta sa atin lahat. Kamusta ang trabaho mo? Kamusta ng buhay? Okay ka lang ba? Diba? Ang sagot po natin, steady lang. And honestly, gets ko naman. Masarap po ang steady. Walang stress, walang masyadong risk. Diba? Parang malambot na unan sa hapon o mainit na sabaw kapag bumabagyo. Sarap, diba? Sino ba naman ang ayaw sa komportabling buhay? Pero ladies and gentlemen, minsan, kapag masyado po tayong kumakapit sa kung ano ang sigurado, dun po tayo nasa stuck. Diba? Because growth is rarely comfortable. Challenging talaga. Tanungin niyo po ang mga magsasaka. Kailangan butalin muna ang lupa bago maitanim. May pagod muna bago may bunga. May hirap muna bago may ani. Ganun din tayo. You grow when you stretch yourself. Kapag sinusubukan mong abutin ang isang bagay kahit hindi ka sigurado. Kapag pinili mong sumubok kahit kinakabahan ka, kahit nanginginig ang kamay mo, nanginginig ang paa mo, kapag hindi ka komportable, doon ka mag-stretch, doon ka mag-grow. I always tell my friends, and my friends tell me all the time, especially my parents, Mateo, importante ilagay mo yung sa sarili mo sa isang sitwasyon na hindi ka na komportable. Kapag kampante ka na, kapag content ka na, ibig sabihin hindi ka nag-stretch, hindi ka nag-grow. Yes, life is difficult, life is challenging, business is risky, but you have to put yourself there to try and fall. But when you fall, you stand up stronger, better, braver. Pero ngayong gabi po, hindi ko na kailangan magkwento tungkol sa growth. Kasi ipapakilala ko po sa inyo ang isang taong na buong buhay niya piniling humakbang, sumubok, at lumaban kahit hindi laging madali. Today is July 25. It's my wife's birthday. And this is a special episode for her dahil hindi niya alam na isusurpresa ko siya ng ganito. So love, happy birthday and surprise. This episode is for you and all about you. And I hope you enjoy it. In 2003, isang batang babae ang umakyat sa entablado ng isang singing contest. May kaba sa dibdib at isang malaking pangarap.
Ang ating third contestant for tonight, Sarah Asher Geronimo.
Kumanta siya, nanalo.
Sarah Geronimo Champion!
At mula noon, nakilala ng buong bansa ang pangalan ng Sarah Geronimo. Sunod-sunod ang albums, concerts, pelikula.
Where the hell is my coffee? Who are you?
Laida Magtalas po. Nagka-apply na editor ng assistant.
You're hired.
Ako rin eh, no?
Tulungan na kita!
Tawa ko na hindi naman nakakatawa. Mga unga, hali kayo ng mahampas. Mga hayop, talipan niya! Oo, mahal kita! Mahal na rin kita! Pero ano ginawa mo sa akin? Pinatay mo lang ako eh! Alam mo, do me a favor. Huwag mo na akong patayin ulit!
Gusto mo ka maging miyembro dun sa banda mo?
Hoy! Ano yan?
Underground.
Freedom.
Light versus darkness.
Kung magmanta kayo, para kayong namamatay sa gutom.
Ano bang kantang gusto mo?
Ganito.
When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue.
Hello, nasan si Lola?
Pasensya ka na, Jasmine. Nagpapahinga na ang lola mo. Totoo nga niyan, hindi makatulog ang lola mo kanina eh. Kaya kinantahan ko siya. Di mo kasi na itatanong, singer ako. Gusto mo sampulan kita?
Tumatakbo, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot!
Buti na lang, nurse ka. Mas marami kang matutulungan, Nurse Jem.
At mga kantang naging bahagi na rin sa buhay nating lahat. For more than 2 decades, nakita na buong Pilipinas kung paano siya lumaki, magtagumpay, at patuloy na magbigay ng saya sa milyong-milyong Pilipino. Ito ang Sara na nakilala nating lahat. Pero sa likod ng mga ilaw, palakpakan, at tagumpay, may kwento ring bihirang makita. Ang ganda, di ba? Pero yan po yung nakikita natin malinis, pulido, at ready for the spotlight, ready for the stage. Ang hindi po natin nakikita ang lahat ng pinagdaanan bago nabuo ang isang Sarah Geronimo. Yung napapanood natin po sa TV concerts, commercials, pelikula at lahat na. Yung mga sablay, yung mga paulit-ulit na ensayo, yung hard work na dahilan kung bakit parang effortless ang lahat kapag nasa spotlight na siya. This evening, we get a glimpse of the woman behind the artist when Mateo G. Primetime returns. Welcome back sa ating birthday special for my wife, Sarah. Love, alam ko nagulat ka, pasensya na, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this special episode for you. May Sarah po na nakita natin sa stage, pero may isa pang Sarah na bihira natin makakita. Siya ang nagsusulat, nagre-rehearse, tumitingin sa bawat detalye, at minsan, siya na rin ang nasa likod ng camera. This is Sarah, the artist at work. Bago makabuo ng kanta, nagsisimula muna sa ilang salita. Sulat, bura, sulat ulit, tahimik lang, hanggang unting-unting mabuo ang words and melody. Bago humarap sa stage, may studio muna, may dance class, may rehearsals, at paulit-ulit na. One more time, kahit ilang beses na nilang itong ginagawa.
Sabi naman to!
Oras, pawis, tiyaga. Walang shortcut sa galing na nakikita natin lahat. At ngayong gabi, may isa pang Sarah kayo makikilala. Si Sarah in her girl boss era.
Isa pa lang, pwede po ba parang pa-build up siya?
So, verse, chorus.
Mas kalma lang po.
Siya ang tumitingin sa bawat detalye. Siya ang nagbibigay direksyon. At kapag may kailangan baguhin, siya ang gumagawa ng desisyon. Ito yung bahaging walang ilaw at walang palakpakan. Pero dito nagsisimula ang lahat ng pinapalakpakan natin. And this is the part that makes me especially proud. Hindi na lang si Sarah ang artist na nakikita natin sa stage. Unti-unti gumagawa na rin siya ng sariling space para sa music at sa mga kwentong gusto niya i-share sa ating lahat. 4 years ago, we started G Productions together. This was both our dreams. Pinili niyang simulan, panindigan, at buuin. And this year, she launched G Music, her own record label. Mas hawak na niya ngayon ang tunog, desisyon, creative direction at bawat desisyon kasama sa kanyang music. And most importantly, she owns her own music. At ngayong birthday niya, may espesyal siyang regalo po sa atin lahat. Today, she just released a new cover song kasama ang isang bagong performance video na mapapanood sa kanyang YouTube channel. At mas naging espesyal pa ang project na ito dahil nakasama niya sa recording ang isang taong napakalapit sa puso niya, si Daddy Delfin. Regalo niya po ito sa sarili niya pero ibinahagi rin niya sa atin lahat. When we return, we're giving you a first look in a very, very special project. Don't go away. Welcome back. Ngayong gabi po, it's all about celebrating Sarah. Well, there are projects na talagang malapit sa puso niya. Her latest project is extra special because she shares it with a man who first believed in her voice. Panoorin po natin to. Isang magandang cover song, isang ama at anak, muling pinagsama ng musika, isang project na matagal na nilang gustong gawin. Mapapanood po ang music video na ito sa YouTube channel ni Sarah. At abangan din ang full behind the scenes coming soon sa channel niya at marami pang iba. At kilala ko si Sarah. Hindi pa siya tapos. Marami pa siyang gustong gawin, subukan, at ibahagi sa ating lahat. Love, pasensya na. I know you're surprised. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Kasi ngayong gabi, hindi lang ako ang gustong bumati sa inyo. Maraming mga tao nagmamahal sa iyo at nagsusupport sa iyo. And believe it or not, wala nag-spoil itong surprise. Here they are.
Hi, Sars. Happy birthday. My wish for you, of course, is joy and happiness always. I love you and alam mo yan, so you know where to find me. Isang text lang ako.
To one of the most talented people I know with the kindest heart, I wish you
Happy birthday, Ate Sarah!
I am always thankful and grateful to you for everything. I miss you, Mrs. Guducelli. Enjoy your special day.
Always praying for your happiness and peace.
Want you to know that I'm always here for you.
I wish you a blessed and a fruitful year ahead of you.
Take care always and stay gorgeous and talented.
And I just want to thank you na every time we see each other or work together, ganun pa rin yung pakiramdam, magaan.
alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Mahal ka namin. Alam mo yan. Love ya.
I only have one wish for you, for God to grant you whatever your heart's desire.
Thank you for your artistry. Being one of your dancers is really fulfilling, lalo na pag nasa stage.
Happy birthday, Star! Salamat po sa lahat! Keep shining po!
Being behind the scenes, I see all the dedication, the hard work, the passion and effort and heart that you pour into everything.
May God grant you the desires of your heart.
I pray for God's best blessings to always be upon you, Sarah and Mateo and your family.
I hope today brings you so much joy, so much love, good food, good people, good vibes, good energy.
I admire how you work and how hardworking and passionate you are.
We were always so amazed of how pure you are, Miss Sars, and you deserve all the best. Keep shining, Miss Sars.
Lagi mong tatandaan na marami kaming sumusuporta sa'yo, nagmamahal sa'yo, and naniniwala sa'yo.
Wishing you all the blessings and happiness.
Hopefully, makapag-celebrate ka ng sagad.
Sana makain mo lahat ng favorite things na kainin mo.
I just want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Sana, alam mo na yon, baby soon.
May you be more successful and you always been beautiful and kind and lovely. Take care. Love you both.
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Happy birthday, Sarah. I hope you enjoy a beautiful birthday.
Today, you stay healthy and happy always. Love each other always. So, have a blessed birthday.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Thank you for being the best sister-in-law. Wishing you all the best.
To greet you a happy birthday. We're always praying for you that everything's well with you and that God will give you the desires of your heart.
You know, the verse that comes to mind is in Galatians chapter 6. Do not give up on doing the right thing, for at the proper time you will reap the harvest if you do not give up.
Dear Sarah,
I hope you have a blast on your birthday. Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sarah. I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sarah Gigi.
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Happy blessed birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Miss Stars!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday,
Stars! Happy birthday!
Ingat Sarah, happy birthday po. Charity, God bless always. Happy birthday, Sarah!
Happy birthday, Miss Sarah! Let it shine forever!
Sarah, Sarah, Sarah. Happy birthday, Sarah, from Manila.
Happy birthday, Sarah! From your Bello Essentials family. Hey!
Thank you for making hope real, not just through your platform, but as a dedicated child sponsor who changes lives every single day.
Thank you for using your heart and voice to bring joy to so many Filipino children and communities.
We are truly grateful to partner with you in transforming the lives of children across the Philippines.
We wish you a year filled with love, peace, and so many more blessings.
Happy birthday from your World Vision family!
Happy birthday, Sarah, from your Hanabishi family. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sarah! As you celebrate another wonderful year, may you continue to tap into life's best.
It's a pleasure working with you, Sarah. We wish you a year filled with love and happiness.
From our Video Debit Card family, happy birthday!
I love you, Sarah. You know I'm always here for you. Proven na yan, tested na yan. Anytime, all the time, tumawag ka. Tatakbo ako. Always here. I love you guys. Happy birthday.
Hi Sarah! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in life. Siyempre, happiness, good health. Alam mo, parang ang tagal-tagal ng panahon from the day I watch you na nag-join do sa competition and nanalo ka ng kantang To Love You More. Talagang hindi ka pa rin nagbago. Same Sarah na natural, totoong tao, walang pretension, simple. I wish you all the best. Hangat ko yung kalusugan mo, kaligayahan mo. And because this is your birthday, I wish you more birthdays to come and enjoy your special day. God bless you and pag-iingat ka. Love you. Happy birthday, Sarah.
Hi, Coach. It's Darren. I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. Of course, it's your special day, so I hope na lahat po ng desires ng puso nyo ay matupad. You've been such a huge inspiration for me ever since I was a kid. And parang since then, hindi na po kayo tumanda talaga. Parang pabata po ng pabata yung itsura po ninyo. And I just want to say thank you because you've been such a big part of my journey, my career. And I cannot thank you enough. On your special day, I hope that you are able to enjoy. Magawa niyo po lahat ng gusto nyong gawin. Makain niyo lahat ng gusto nyong kainin for your birthday. And I miss you so much. I hope to see you soon. And ayun po, happy birthday po sa inyo. I love you so much, Coach. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Sarah. I love you so much. Thank you for being such an inspiration to us, me and Darren. I don't think me and Darren would be anywhere near the position we are without looking up to you and seeing how you've gone through your whole career. And I hope to one day, pwede ako maging leading man mo. Joke lang. But love you, Ate Sarah. Happy birthday. Stay young, stay beautiful, and we miss you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sars. Anyways, ingat ka. God bless. Enjoy your day because it's your day.
Hi sis, happy birthday! Oh my gosh, parang kailan lang and here you are, you still look 20. I am sure it's because you are so loved at I'm sure spoiled na spoiled ka ni Matt ngayon at ng mga nakapalibot sa'yo ngayon. You are such an inspiration to a lot of people on stage and off stage. Sana alam mo yan. And I pray that God will continue to bless you with like surprises. And enjoy your special days, sis. I will see you very soon. I love you so, so much. See you soon, sis. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sarah. Tita Martin here. I'm so sorry I can't be with you to help celebrate your special day, but I just wanted you to know how special you are to me. I think you know this already. And one of the things I'll never forget about you is how generous you were and willing to be back to back with yours truly. One of my fondest memories in all my 44 years in showbiz, to know that I was able to do back to back with the Sarah Geronimo Guidicelli. Thank you so much for trusting me with your career and all the things that we've done together. I hold close to my heart, and I will forever. Sarah, happy birthday. God bless you. I love you very much. And you know, I'm always here for you and that other guy, you know, the one you married. I'm here for both of you. I'm here for you forever. Thank you for all you've done for the industry and for yours truly. I love you, Sarah. Happy birthday.
Hey, what's up, Sarah? I just want to wish you a happy birthday, and hope you guys are celebrating, and the best to you and Mateo, and hope you're having a great day. Hope he's spoiling you, right? So again, happy birthday, all the best, and I'll see you soon. Okay.
Happy birthday, Sarah! I miss you na, anak. I miss seeing you in movies. I miss seeing you in person. Dahil, kasi few and far between lang yung times na nagkikita tayo. Pero, I always have you in my heart. I have you in my prayers. I wish nothing but happiness for you and Mateo and everything that your heart desires, because you really deserve to be the happiest girl in the world. You deserve all the blessings that God is sent to give you, and napaka-puputi mong tao. I'm very happy for you and I'm proud of you and all this. Love you, miss you, hope to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Hi, Sarah. Happy birthday. May the Lord grant you wisdom, grace, and good health, especially as you face a bright future with your family. Sige ha, we pray for you. Happy birthday.
Love, now that you've seen this special episode, we hope that tonight, nakita mo na rin kung yung matagal na namin nakakita sa'yo. We all see how hard you work, yung mga gabing pagod ka na, pero tuloy pa rin. Yung mga times na kailangan mong magsimula ulit, yung mga risks na pinili mong iti-take, kahit mas madali sana magstay ka sa kung saan ka familiar at safe. Hindi madaling umalis sa comfort zone, pero ikaw, paulit-ulit mong piniling sumubok ng bago, to learn, to improve, and to grow. And to look at everything you've built because you choose not to stay steady. Thank you very much for inspiring me, inspiring all of us, and always telling us to take risks and allowing us to push ourselves to our limits. Because you show us that it's possible and anything can be done with hard work, dedication, and patience. Maraming salamat, love. And we all love you, and I love you. Sa lahat mo tumulong para mabuo ang surprise na ito, maraming salamat sa inyo. Ang galing nyo magtago ng sikreto. Thank you very much. Buong Pilipinas, kasabwat kayo tonight. Daghan salamat sa inyong lahat. Mapapanood po ang very special music video ni Sarah tonight on her YouTube channel, and abangan na po dahil may mga iba't ibang sorpresa coming very soon. Thank you very much, guys, for celebrating with us. For more primetime moments and updates, follow our social media pages flashing on the screen. This has been Mateo G Primetime. See you next week. Good night and happy birthday, love. Bye-bye.